Ever struggle to identify the GitHub username for an enterprise managed user? Or sometimes, as an admin, you may be looking for a mapping between users' email address to their GitHub handle. If you are a GitHub Enterprise Cloud administrator, this is a common challenge. So I built a free open source utility called GitHub UserHub that makes this process simple and fast. Remember, this utility is created with the help of GitHub Copilot itself. In this video, I will show you how to install it, configure it, and retrieve GitHub handles along with email addresses in just a few clicks. Let us get started. GitHub UserHub is a simple application which provides the features to extract your users and the corresponding emails for an GitHub Enterprise Cloud EMU environment where OIDC is configured. If you have used SAML, another set of source code is attached as part of the description. Please refer that. Functionality is same for both applications. One is extracting the users and the emails from an OIDC based configuration. The other is extracting the same information from a SAML based configuration. This simple application will help the GitHub administrator to quickly extract users and the corresponding email IDs with some of the other details. And the beauty of this application is it's a simple HTML/JS application that loads the data on the browser itself, from where you can download as a CSV format. Also, pagination is supported, so you can do a pagination. Format supports the normal dashboarding features like searching, sorting, extracting specific user information, etc. Moreover, it shows a status bar just whether this user is active or inactive based on the details gathered from SIM. So either you can just download this repository or clone the repository into local and run your index.html with the proper enterprise slug and personal access tokens, or you can deploy it into GitHub Pages. Here I have used GitHub Pages. The deployment is very simple. Go to your repository settings, Pages, and specify that deploy from branch. Select the main branch and root. This is the place and click on save. This starts the deployment. So our application is already deployed. I'm going to use that. This is my application deployed, a simple UI where it's asked for enterprise slug and personal access token. Let me provide my enterprise slug, that is amplikk/demo, and the personal access token, and ask for fetching the users. Currently my enterprise contains only 4 members. So the display name, the detailed username as it's a provision from Entra-based username, and the corresponding email ID in case I modified the email with any of the different emails that will appear here. The corresponding GitHub handle, whether this user is active user or inactive user. And if I need to export this and save it, the data is exported. Here is the CSV exported out of the application where the details are captured properly in a CSV or Excel format. This is a simple application but very helpful for the enterprise administrator to view and export the users along with the GitHub handle and emails in one go. If you have such a requirement, go ahead and explore this application. The links are provided in the description. Remember that there are 2 sets of code base. One is based on OIDC, that's the main code available. The other one is based on the SAML configuration. So based on your GitHub Enterprise Cloud EMU configuration, and it works only with EMU, not with the standard GitHub Enterprise Cloud. If you are using GitHub Enterprise Cloud with EMU, go ahead and explore this simple tool. That is how easy it is to find GitHub handles and email addresses for GitHub Enterprise Managed users using GitHub UserHub. This tool is completely free and open source. So feel free to use it, enhance with your requirements. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechRill and share it with other GitHub administrators. I will see you in the next video with another practical GitHub tip.